Hey guys, so I just got 2 more dumplings. So this one I already opened. It already came like this, but it's a cute little pink because I saw from the bottom. But look how cute it is. I haven't had a pink one yet. Oh, it's so cute. I just put a name for it. It says Bubble and it's a boy. So let's open this. I got this as a birthday present because my birthday was March 27th and I was in Florida, so I didn't really... Oh, it's yellow! I didn't have time for other people to give me presents, but... Oh, it's so cute! Oh. Put in the comments what we should name this. But it's so cute! Bye, guys!